Casper Nyovest is trending for all the wrong reasons again. This time he did something really good for one of his fans. However, he's been trolled. So he visited a baby that is in hospital and the mother took to a social media platform to appreciate him. Writing, "Meet the real MVP, Casper Nyovest," shows up in a major way. "Huge thank you to Casper Nyovest for making my daughter's wish come true." She also posted there's pictures of her and Casper saying, "Don't change the person I saw in you yesterday. You're kind, loving, and a prayer warrior. What you did for my daughter is tattooed in my heart forever." And while some people were surprised he didn't cry, as apparently he's a very sensitive person, and according to the mother, he was very emotional, a whole lot of people are triggered by all this and you won't believe what they're saying. If you don't remember or are not aware of this, after Casper married Philani, his wife, the mother of his son Thobeka came out, and this was after Casper was busy doing podcast tours, doing what seemed like damage control just in case the baby mama comes out. So she had come out then, letting people know what really went down between her and Casper. But she did that in a very clean way because it was a testimony that happened to expose Casper, right? Then she had said that while their son was battling cancer, she was living basically in an oncology hospital for 2 years as their son underwent chemo and all the life-threatening surgeries. She was then hit with a curveball of infidelity, and the woman that Casper was cheating on her with is his now wife. They both knew about their son's condition but flaunted their relationship, seemingly insinuating that while their son was battling cancer, Casper was busy gallivanting with his now wife instead of being there for their son. Hence why him being there for the kids while he couldn't apparently for his son is now triggering to his fans, who feel like his son is gonna hate him more when he sees this clip as an adult, knowing that he left him with his mother fighting cancer, learning his father whose money was there for everyone but him. Yet he couldn't be there for his own son when he needed him the most, someone said. Others feel like he's chasing clout because charity begins at home. Didn't he ignore his own son? But I also saw someone say maybe he did this to compensate for lost opportunity with his son. Because at the end of the day, we all mess up one way or the other. So maybe people should be gracious towards him. What are your thoughts around this? Let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
Yeah.